easy breezy, beautiful cover girl. She's feeling herself today. Stay back. Hey, hola, what's up? How you doing? Welcome to this video, all of my friends, all my friends through the screen. Y'all, how we doing? If you're not my friend yet, do not worry because we can fix that situation very easily. Go ahead and show that subscribe button a little bit of love. It's not gonna hurt you, I promise, and then we can be friends. Now you may be looking at me and being like, damn Safai, you just went hella extra, honey. You feeling yourself. Yes, she is. I decided to just do something very fall and extra, but not your like cliche warm browns and wine and gold and, you know, cranberry. Those looks will be coming. I will be doing those looks, but I just wanted to just switch things up and give you like a different fall look, a different vibe. And so I did. You know, like I took green, I took some blue, I took a splash of gold, and this is where we are. And I have to say, I really, you know, like I'm feeling this look. She's feeling herself today. So if you are interested in seeing how to create this look, or you just want to hang out with me, keep on watching, let the games begin, and let us get started. We got some drama on our eyes today. I went ahead and did one eye off camera just to get things together for y'all. So I think it's time to zoom in and go ahead and jump into all the details for this look. To go ahead and get things started, I will be taking the shade Smooth Criminal from Armed and Gorgeous. We are placing this in our crease. This is going to be our transition shade. Because we're using blue and green today, you know, we want like a nice neutral transition in the crease. I'm also going to drag the shade outwards because we are doing a full cut crease today, y'all. Yes, we are. Also run Smooth Criminal along that lower lash line. Let's start getting interesting. I'll be taking the shade Potion from the Dark Magic palette. I'm gonna place this green in the beginning of my inner corner, right by the crease. See that? We're just gonna pack that color on. Now let's take a hint of blue into the crease, and I'm taking the shade Busted from the Dark palette. Just gonna go ahead and put this in the middle, in the center of where my crease is, and start dragging it out. Next, we're gonna dip into the shade Indigo from the 39A palette. So I'm just gonna take the shade Indigo on the very end, which is more of a truer blue, and just bring that shade out. Now I'm just gonna blend in between my transition shade and the colors that I have just placed down. We're gonna do some soft blending so we have a smoother transition in between the shades. I'm going to dip into the shade Inside Job from the Dark Magic palette. So I'm gonna place the shade Inside Job closer to my inner crease, and this is just to add some depth to this area. It's a deeper green. So just to add some more definition in this crease region, I'm taking the shade Indigo, and we're just gonna keep it really concentrated and drag it out. Taking my Wicked eyeliner pencil from Sigma, I'm just gonna line my lower lash line and my waterline. I'm taking the shade Inside Job on the inner portion of the lower lash line, right until I get to the middle. And then for the outside, I've taken the shade Indigo for the outer half of the lower lash line. I'm taking my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer to go ahead and cut this crease, and we are cutting above our natural crease. So at this point, with less product on my brush, I'm just gonna go ahead and feather out this concealer. With the pad of my finger, I'm just going to go ahead and blend out the edge of that concealer even more so. Now we're gonna take a brush and just pick up some excess product before we go ahead and put eyeshadow on top of this. Just gonna blend that out even more. So now I'm gonna take the shade Potion from the Dark Magic palette. We're placing Potion on the inner portion and lower half of our eye. I'm placing Busted on the outer portion of our cut crease, but I'm not gonna go all the way to the top. And we're gonna just drag this out a little bit. We're using just a little bit of Inside Job from the Dark Magic palette. I'm gonna keep Inside Job closer to my lash line. And we're adding some depth. I'm gonna keep Indigo closer to my lash line as well, just to add some intensity and depth. We're just really gonna pack on the shade Classified from the Armed and Gorgeous palette. I'm placing Classified right above that dark green shadow inside our crease. We are also packing the shade Classified right over that blue shade. And we're gonna drag it out. Taking the shade Guilt Trip from the Armed and Gorgeous palette, we are placing Guilt Trip right in the center of all the action. I'm taking the shade Temptress from the Dark Magic palette. I'm gonna go ahead and place Temptress right up on my lash line and create an eyeliner. I'm mixing the shade Guilt Trip and Classified, and I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight my brow bone. We are taking the shade Coin from the Armed and Dangerous palette. I am popping Coin right into that inner corner for some highlight and action. So we're pretty much done with the eyes. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my eyelashes off camera, but for eyelashes today I will be using the Be Bella lashes in the style Legend. So once I go ahead and just get, my lashes on and everything put together, I'm coming right back so we can take care of the rest of our face. Oh, we have the lashes on and we're just looking so fabulous. So time to just wrap up the rest of everything that's going on our face. And the first thing I'm gonna do is bronze, because we wanna add some warmth back into the face. And I'm taking my handy dandy Mahogany from Anastasia Beverly Hills to just go ahead and warm up this face. And I'm taking my Jaclyn Hill and Morphe brush. I'm taking the JH2 brush and we're just going to get up in here and just do it. Moving onward, we're gonna go ahead and contour, and to contour I will be taking the Deuce palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm taking the shade Chocolat, which is the chocolate shade right here. Okay. I'm just gonna go ahead and get right up in here. Ooh. Hey. We are going to be doing blush today because we need to add some color back onto the face, and I will be taking a new palette. So this is the new Cheek palette by Sigma. I just love this packaging. It is just very distracting. I'm going to take the shade Spiced right here, and Spiced has a little bit of a sheen to it. It's not a highlight, but it's not completely matte. It's more of a satin finish. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my cheeks. Yeah, she's pigmented. A little goes a long way. Was not expecting so much pigment on the first go, but hey, she's here. Okay, so I am not going to use the contour, but I am going to use 24K, and we're gonna glow up our situation. Oh wow, no, it blends really well. I do want it to be a little bit more poppin', so I'm gonna layer this highlight with something else. To go ahead and top off this highlight, I am taking the Sun Dipped Glow Palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm taking the one and only Bronzed, because this shade just never does me wrong. Y'all will see, and it's extra poppin'. We're gonna pop that just right there. Bam. Oh, I almost forgot the Cupid's bow. Whoops. Just go ahead and glue that up right here. And that time has come to move on to our lip situation. For lips today, I'm going to be using a lip liner and a liquid lipstick For lip liner today, I will be taking the shade Espresso from the Jouer Lip Line collection. And for liquid lipstick, I am taking the shade Ashton by Anastasia Beverly Hills. So let's get to it. Oh, she's a little dark. Ooh, this is darker than what I was expecting. Just gonna have to make it work. I'm taking their matte, I'm taking Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick in the shade Honey, and I'm just gonna pop this in the center. I feel like, you know, yeah, that's exactly what I need going on in this lip combination today. That is all that I have for you guys today. That was, I have to say, I'm proud of myself for giving you guys a fall look that was like a little bit out of the box color-wise. If you guys enjoyed this one, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. You know what to do. Feel free to share this video or drop some comments down below. How are we feeling about this fall look with the blues and the greens? Are we feeling it? Are we not feeling it? Let your girl know. For those of you that are still watching and you're just chilling here watching me, you're not yet subscribed, I don't know why, but I'm gonna give you a chance now. If you didn't take my invitation in the beginning of the video, you can go ahead and click that subscribe button and be a part of this ever-growing family. And to all of my pre-existing subscribers, I just like, if I could hug each and every single one of you, I would. I love you guys so much. I'm gonna invite you to go ahead and click that bell button so you are notified each and every single time I upload a new video. We don't want you to miss it. We don't want you to miss it. For those of you that would like to see me everywhere, you know, just like see me everywhere, I am on Snapchat, Instagram, and also the Twitter. I will leave all the links for them down below in the description box. But yes, that is all I have for you today, mis amigos, which is friends in Spanish. And I will see you beautiful babes in my next video. But before we officially like sign out of this video, I'm gonna go ahead and put some videos right here for you guys to go ahead and watch them. You know, grab your snacks, your blanket. You can binge on them. Not just these two, but there's many more that I have. You know, it's got like a full catalog of videos. Just go ahead and enjoy. Time to YouTube and chill. Okay. Alright. Bye guys. I hope you enjoy.